Morning everyone, so just a little update of what we will do today. By the way, a big shout out to Device Shanavi Tours and Travels for making everything possible for the bookings, hotels, itinerary, vans, and everything, flight. Thank you so much for making it easiest for us and possible to travel everywhere here in the Philippines, like in Cebu, Bohol, Boracay, and Negros soon. So anyway, yeah, today we will be going to Leah Temple, and then yeah, I'll give you an update after later. But yeah, anyway, we will have a buffet breakfast. So see you there.
Yeah, so we're heading to Temple of Leah, right?
Yeah, we're going to Temple of Leah.
Yeah, that's our first destination.
So this place here, sir, is known as Cebu IT Park. Okay. And several years ago, this used to be an airport here.
Oh,
really?
So there's a small airport here
wow.
several years ago.
Yeah, I can understand. A long time ago, the airport was outside the city,
Yes.
and now it's inside the city, so they closed it.
Yeah.
So aside from the
Yeah, he told me all the buildings are post centers.
yes, it is.
Oh my god. You can have a royal, or gummy, or cookie. I like cookie.
I love
One cookie is good for
cookies.
8 times.
One cookie is good for.
We're heading uphill to
Punches
Temple
your
of
thumbnail.
Leah.
And that's enough.
We're heading uphill.
We'll disappear in 1 hour.
Uphill to Mountain View.
Look at the wall here.
Yeah,
Mountain View.
engineering really works well here.
Name of the town is Luang Prabang.
It's
LTD. It's really beautiful.
Oh yeah,
But a lot of portion, a lot of part is still unfinished.
this one here.
Wow. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have 2 dogs.
wow.
Shih Tzu. How about you, sir?
I had a Chihuahua for 18
This
years.
is Temple of Leah.
So this was built.
And on that side, Temple of Leah. Welcome. So we're here at Temple of Leah.
We start here.
Yeah, we'll start here.
So that is the bronze statue of Leah.
Wow, really, really good. She's loved. And imagine from there, down the stairways here.
Did you get right in the middle?
Huh?
You weren't in the middle. Stand over there. Oh, I have a question for you then. If you don't want to ask me a question, I have to ask you. Why should we travel?
To find some leisure and to enjoy and to experience
My number 1 reason is to learn about other cultures.
yeah.
So I understand my culture better. If you stay home, you're boring person. You have to travel. You're right. 24 rooms of stuff.
So just take some pictures of this. Like I don't know, yeah, this one.
The sunshine, it's too warm. One day the bottles will boom.
Yeah, those are wines. Bases. Yeah, I love wines. Wow, it's really a great view in the city down there.
It's just stuff.
I think that's her belongings, right?
It's very interesting.
Yeah, indeed. Oh, damn. Look at this here. Wow. Can you stand there?
So all the things here, sa ilan yung mga travel abroad.
Ilang collections.
O ilang collection. Ito na niyo, wala lang.
So, and there. So from here, right, I don't know how to. Here we go. So, yeah, we're here at Temple of Leah right now. So next stop will be, I don't know. See, that's really beautiful.
People are asking how come they are so rich.
More laundry. I thought they found like a vault of gold.
Okay, a question for you. Is there a Navy here?
A Navy.
Yeah, do you have Navy ships here? Coast Guard?
Yes, there are coast guards, but they have limited ships to patrol the seas.
So where's the Navy this day?
So yes,
Yeah, should be.
You know the Americans are coming back? Did you read that?
I've heard of it.
It was in the news last week that the Americans are going back to Cebu
So they're building back. They're getting back their base in Cebu.
because of China. Yeah.
Temple of Leah, which is one of the historic place. Sige ra kong tabi, wala dahil nag-play akong vlog. Yeah.
Do they grow coffee here?
Yeah, they have an improvised windmill. Cebu. Yeah. Original Sirao Garden, which is our next
Baking.
destination here. So this is our second destination, right? Okay. Which is Cebu Little Amsterdam. But that's very well known siyang original Sirao Garden. Oh wow. Yeah.
Thank you. Could you put it here for him?
No. Thank you.
The pearls are plastic.
Yeah. Wow. I love it.
Phone your wife? Do you talk to her?
Hey, sorry.
Yes.
Like WhatsApp or?
You go Viber.
I like the Viber. It's an app like WhatsApp.
I haven't heard of it.
How about you? How do you?
I use WhatsApp, WeChat, Line, because I have friends in different countries and they all use different things.
A lot of.
Can I get your WhatsApp number later?
Sure, why not?
Okay. So we start here.
Oh, wow, this is nice. Whoops.
Are you okay?
Okay, now, I learned something yesterday. This is cool, yes. And oregano is same family.
Okay.
Did you know that?
Koya.
Oregano is the same
It's a family. It's like a relative of oregano.
for immune system.
And the only thing is that oregano kwan siya. Nag-story when we had our tour yesterday sa in Plaza Independencia sa may museum. Yeah.
So you had your tour yesterday?
Yeah. So this is it.
Would you like to go there? I can take your picture.
Come up here so you can see the view.
There's also like, wow, this is really cool.
Would you like to go up? I can take your pictures.
Okay.
Would you like to go out?
Jake?
I'll go up there.
Give him the phone.
Look at that. Welcome to the original farm place here, and there's people around here. And that's a shoe. You could see that, and there's also big hands at the very end in a sunflower. Yeah, sort of, and yeah, Sirao. So basically, this is a Sirao garden. So this is our second tour destinations, and afterward, gonna be somewhere else. So yeah, welcome to Sirao Garden. And my YouTube channel. Yeah, look at that. And the improvised is windmill here. So it was never here before. So what the tour guide says, and yeah, and it's really great here. It's like you're in Cambodia, yeah, or in Vietnam. So I'll go downstairs. Yeah, we're going to ouch. We're going down because most of the local and native flowers found here in this farm here in Cebu. This is called Sirao Island here. And not island, but garden rather. And look at that butterfly there. Sunflower. And then there's also, yeah. Oh, I like this one. The pink bicycle. Wow. And this. Yeah. Wow. Didn't realize that. I'm walking in a paradise. And yeah. Here. Yeah. You can post a lot of, yeah, this one as well, which is green, but there's flowers on that. And yeah, see that? Welcome to Sirao Little Amsterdam. Bikes are like little bridge of water. Yeah. Wow. I love it so bad. Yeah, that is where I'm going afterward. And yeah. And that nest as well, which is I really wanted to go there afterward. That's the carrying hands. Yeah.
You want me to push you up? What? No, pull me down. Kabila ko ka. Saka lang ba?
Di ko madlo ko, sir.
Sir, ang bato. Ang bato na ito picturean. Dito ka pa sa...
Ato ta, ay mali.
Yeah. Ano yung sibotan sa biyak taga kami. Then
I'm not gonna stand up. No. What about that one?
Ay, ba?
alright.
No.
Yeah. Alright. So
You want solo?
yeah.
You want solo picture?
But
Go down.
I think you go backwards as well.
John, picture daw ko dyan.
Oy, kita picture. Jump shot. Jump shot, jump. One, I'll take your picture later. No, don't. I'm joking.
These things were on Instagram.
Yeah. This
Also
one.
the hand.
Yeah, the hand, that one, and this one. Yeah. Ikaw sa. Wow, this is really breathtaking.
You ever sit on it? Do not get the guy in green.
No.
He'll ruin your picture. Oh, nice.
Nice! Perfect!
Say nothing, son. I got the cow, the buffalo, wherever it is.
How about you?
No, thank you.
Here, this is also a nice place.
Yeah. Yeah, that's nice view too. Which is, if you're here, I think, yeah, this place here. Ayaw na lang i-pause, i-play lang, tapos picture na lang tayo. So yeah guys, we're leaving and we're moving to our next destinations. And yeah. It's really hot. Yeah.
1,000 feet, 4 hours, and now
Couldn't do it no more.
You must have been an athletic person.
we all did it. Everybody did. Which way?
The other way around.
I just have to wait for my heart to slow down every now and then.
So we're going back there. Bye. We're leaving now.
You have scorpions in the Philippines?
Yes, we have. But in some countries, they eat that one as an exotic
They have
food,
this.
Yeah.
And yeah.
Right? Saan mga buwak niya, Ernest?
We have penguins.
Bye now.
Penguins?
We're leaving.
Thank you, sir.
So we're here at Buwaka ni Alejandra. So stay tuned. Wow, it's really beautiful out here. So welcome to Buwaka ni Alejandra. So there's like a long way, like a mini bridge. What? Yeah, it's beautiful. Wow, watch. Yeah, perfect. Ang inita, wala pa dyan kay kalo. Yeah. Yeah, it's really beautiful. Yeah. Look at that. Damn. And look at the slippery flowers around here. Oh, dang. And oh damn, this is really great. Yeah. Up, up, up. It's very slippery here, so you better grab. Oh, wow. Yeah. Yeah.
I think this would be a good view for pictorial.
Yeah. Yeah. I think we need to have a picture here. Or ako sa. Pwede ko din mapicturean. Dali lang nang i-click na lang natin. So, yeah. I'll go first, then you'll follow me here. Do you want a picture with us here?
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, it's okay. Kuan pa be?
Di, sakto na. Ari na. Ah. Asaman.
Can I get a picture with you guys?
That's right.
So we can proceed there.
Okay. Thank you so much. Let's go. Perfect. Oh, yeah.
We can proceed there.
Well, we can proceed here, there, so that he could have a good picture as well.
Okay.
My goodness, it's really beautiful.
Give me somebody's picture.
Oh,
You want to tell them to do it again? You
nah.
should do your picture again. We were in the background. We were in your picture. Sorry.
I know, we
you
blocked
wanna
you,
do it
sir,
again.
actually. No, it's okay, sir.
All right.
Yeah, you were blocked.
I don't want to ruin your picture.
Yeah, we're here now, and I think. Wow, look at that. Wow. See the beauty here at Alejandra. Yeah. Like that. In here. Hello. Hello. This is really great. There. So hi guys, welcome to Wow Alejandra. Yeah. So it's gonna be like, it's kind of very sleepy and slippery here. So yeah, you could see at the background. That's it. And there's like the LGBT yeah, or the rainbow color on the hanging bridge we have built here. So yeah, like that, just like that, and it's really beautiful. And I can't make it like, yeah. So this is just a snip. Yeah, there. And there, that's what I'm talking about. And there's, yeah, round and around. And it's really great here. I mean, I'm so happy that they recommended this place. It's worth it of like wasting 12,000 just for a tour package around here. And yeah, but we have a next stop, I think, which is kind of far. Yeah, in a way. So that's the place we're going to go next, which is the Adventure Cafe. So we'll have a coffee there afterward. Yeah, just enjoying the view around here. And yeah, there's flowers around. Yeah. It's really perfect. Look at the fog. And we are at Adventure Restaurant and Coffee. So there's like a connecting, which is this one is a zip line. The other one is down there, and the other one is here. Going next. So yeah, that's all. Speaking of which, they have a lot of, I don't know, like if you're lovers, you have to put the slots here like this, like that. So hey guys, was you know what? Plates for Transcentral 25 pesos per plate. So I'll kind of show you why. Alright, so did you see that? Like for example, if you're going to buy a plate for 25 pesos, if you're stressed, like your people around you are toxic, or you failed, or you felt like you're busted. Manawag lang ko, wait lang. Manawag mo saka. Adra lang, te. Yeah. So all you have to do is just buy a plate and dump it there. Anyway, we're going back to the city. We're done for a tour today. So yes guys, I just got back to my hotel here, and we went to this. We have the list here of the place where we went to. So yeah, we went to Temple of Leah, because we have like 4 places today. We went to 4 places today. Next was Sirao Garden, which is original Sirao Garden, and then Garden ni Alejandra, and Adventure Restaurants and Coffee. So it was a hell long ride with our tourists. We have 2 tourist guide, and yeah, we had a lunch there, and it was really fun. Then yeah, anyway, if you're new here, please kindly, if you like this video, please thank you so much, by the way, for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and leave a comments down below if you have any like feedback or suggestions. Please comments down below. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.